Discover how faceless creators are using CapCut's AI to dominate YouTube with the Sleepless Historian niche, automating content, earning while they sleep, and redefining passive income forever. Let's start by talking about what the Sleepless Historian niche actually is. Imagine a blend of relaxing sleep content, immersive historical storytelling, and those lo-fi atmospheric vibes that make you want to just sink into your pillow and drift off. These videos are long-form, sometimes stretching to 2 or 3 hours, and they're designed to help people unwind, fall asleep, or even just escape into another era for a while. But here's the twist. The stories are told from a first-person perspective, so the viewer feels like they're actually living through a night in ancient Rome, a rainy evening in Victorian London, or a mysterious journey through the Mughal Empire. The visuals are evocative, the narration is gentle, and the ambient sounds, crackling fires, distant rain, soft footsteps, pull you right into the scene. It's like ASMR meets history, documentary, meets bedtime story, and the audience for this content is absolutely massive. People are hungry for ways to relax, de-stress, and get better sleep. And the historical angle adds a layer of curiosity and nostalgia that keeps viewers coming back for more. What's really wild is how fast channels in this niche are blowing up. I'm talking about creators who have gone from 0 to almost 400,000 subscribers and over 12 million views in just a couple of months. They're posting daily, sometimes even more, and their videos are getting crazy engagement and retention. And here's the kicker. These aren't teams of editors working around the clock or people with years of video production experience. These are solo creators, sometimes complete beginners, who have figured out how to automate the entire process using CapCut's AI video maker. This is YouTube automation at its most efficient, high engagement, high retention, and high monetization, all with minimal manual labor. So why does this niche work so well? It comes down to a few psychological triggers that are baked right into the content. First, there's nostalgia and curiosity. Historical stories have always captivated people, and when you add the immersive, first-person perspective, it feels like you're stepping into a time machine. Second, the sleep and relaxation angle is huge. Millions of people struggle with stress, insomnia, or just want a way to unwind after a long day. And these videos are tailor-made for that audience. Third, the content is completely faceless. You don't have to be on camera, you don't need to act, and you don't even need to record your own voice if you don't want to. That makes it accessible to anyone, anywhere, regardless of background or experience. And finally, the long-form nature of the videos means you can insert more ads, which boosts your revenue per upload. YouTube's algorithm loves watch time and engagement, so these videos get pushed hard, and because the topics are evergreen, history never goes out of style, and people always need help sleeping, your content keeps earning long after you upload it. Now let's talk about the real game changer here, CapCut's AI video maker. In the past, if you wanted to make this kind of content, you'd have to juggle a bunch of different tools. You'd use ChatGPT or another AI to generate your scripts, 11 Labs for voiceovers, Midjourney or Leonardo AI for images, and then you'd have to stitch everything together in a video editor like Premiere Pro. It worked, but it was time-consuming and honestly pretty intimidating for beginners. CapCut's new AI suite changes all of that. With a single platform, you can generate scripts or import them from ChatGPT, instantly create visuals and animations, add lifelike voiceovers with multiple style options, layer in ambient sounds and music, and export high-quality, ready-to-upload videos. It's all in one, lightning fast, and it lowers the barrier to entry so anyone can start creating. Let me walk you through the exact process because this is where things get really interesting. First, you come up with your video idea. You can use ChatGPT or CapCut's built-in AI to brainstorm unique historical scenarios or sleep stories. The best topics are the ones that blend curiosity, like a night in the Mughal Empire or sleeping in a Roman villa with a relaxing, immersive atmosphere. Once you've got your topic, you write the script. You can craft it yourself or use AI prompts to generate long-form narratives. The most successful videos are immersive and descriptive, told in the second person so the viewer feels like they're really there. Scripts are often broken into segments for easier editing and pacing. Next, you paste your script into CapCut's AI video maker. You select a visual style that matches your story, maybe neoclassical for ancient Greece, spooky for a haunted castle, or lush and colorful for a muggle palace. CapCut's AI generates visuals and animations that fit your script, and you can choose from a range of soothing, natural-sounding AI voices for the narration. The tool automatically creates scene transitions, adds ambient sounds, and even lets you tweak individual scenes if something doesn't look quite right. You can regenerate visuals, adjust the style, or add extra sound effects to make the experience even more immersive. For really long videos, you might create them in segments and then stitch them together in CapCut's timeline editor. This makes it easy to manage pacing and keep everything consistent. You can add finishing touches like vapor or spark effects to match the niche's signature aesthetic, and then export the whole thing in high resolution, 1080p, 2K, or even 4K for maximum quality. Thumbnails are another key piece of the puzzle. You can use AI image generators or manual design tools to create dramatic, thematic thumbnails that instantly communicate the video's historical setting. The best thumbnails are eye-catching, a little mysterious, and make viewers want to click. Adding extra elements like characters or props can boost your click-through rates even more. Once your video is ready, you upload it to YouTube, schedule it for a peak time. A lot of these channels post late at night to target sleep audiences, and optimize your titles, descriptions, and tags for SEO. Engaging with viewers through comments and community posts helps boost your algorithmic favorability. And because the content is so evergreen, you keep getting views and ad revenue long after the initial upload. Now let's talk about the money, because this is where things get really exciting. Long-form videos mean more ad breaks, which means higher RPM, revenue per milla. Sleep and relaxation videos are often played in the background for hours, maximizing impressions. The content is evergreen, so you keep earning from old uploads, and because the whole process is automated, you can scale up quickly. Channels using this method have reported earning thousands of dollars per month within weeks of launching, thanks to the viral nature of the niche and the efficiency of CapCut's AI tools. Once you've got your workflow down, you can produce daily videos with minimal effort, scaling your income rapidly. So what makes CapCut's AI Video Maker the ultimate tool for this niche? It's the simplicity. You don't need multiple subscriptions or technical know-how. Everything happens in one place. The speed is unmatched. You can produce full-length, high-quality videos in under an hour. The customization options are deep, with multiple styles, voices, and effects to tailor each video to your brand. The tool is largely free to start, with premium features available for scaling up. And the community is thriving. There are active Discord and creator groups where people share prompts, scripts, and tips, so you're never alone on the journey. Of course, there are some challenges. CapCut's AI features may be restricted in some countries, but you can use a VPN or hire editors from accessible regions if needed. Sometimes the AI-generated visuals or voiceovers aren't perfect, so you might need to tweak or regenerate scenes. Thumbnails can be generic if you rely solely on AI, so investing time in creative design pays off in higher click-through rates. If CapCut isn't available or you want more control, you can use traditional editors like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve, or outsource parts of the workflow to freelancers. Other AI tools like 11 Labs for advanced voiceovers or Midjourney for unique visuals are also great alternatives. As your channel grows, you can build a team or automate even further with batch scripting and scheduled uploads. The future of YouTube automation is here, and the Sleepless Historian trend is more than just a passing fad. It's a glimpse into how AI is democratizing content creation. Anyone can build a channel, grow an audience, and earn income without expensive gear or advanced skills. But the window of opportunity won't last forever. Early adopters have a clear advantage, but as the niche gets more popular, the bar for quality and originality will rise. The most successful creators will be those who combine automation with creativity, finding fresh angles, experimenting with new styles, and engaging deeply with their audience. If you're ready to jump into this niche, here's my advice. Master prompt engineering, study successful channels, iterate quickly, and engage your audience. Use CapCut's speed to your advantage and keep learning as AI tools evolve. The Sleepless Historian niche in CapCut's AI Video Maker represent a seismic shift in how YouTube content is created, scaled, and monetized. By blending immersive storytelling, automation, and smart monetization, anyone can build a successful, faceless channel, no editing experience required. If you've been waiting for the right moment to start your YouTube journey, this is it. The tools are accessible, the niche is exploding, and the blueprint is clearer than ever. Dive in, experiment, and let AI do the heavy lifting while you focus on creativity and growth. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more creator insights, and join the conversation. What niche will you automate next? For more resources, prompts, and community support, check out the Discord links and guides shared by leading creators in this space. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.